Malo một từ pas-pasi imay. Osipenta o lima meheni hima te kau sila belua academy o elihe te na toho pe na tolo pe moofa. 5 years from now, I'm sure our young boys tonight who are going to have our first performance will actually be doing what exactly these 3 boys will do. That's the dream. So we're just getting ready for our first item tonight, which is the Edelweiss. To come up, I'd like to ask the DJ to please play us just the music while they enter in and just get themselves ready. Kalau tuan tak nak pasti, at pokok tu Edelweiss. Edelweiss nak foto tu ini solo mana tua muala mo Irene Fakawa. Mana tua muala na Irene Fakawa will do the special solo on Edelweiss. Muy maya count on me. Aku kolej tu pe, tam tanya pe ketik nautol, ini aman Moto pas pasi mai tau whanau ne. Otherwise, so just a little bit of background. Edelweiss from the movie Sound of Music. Edelweiss is a European mountain plant which has woolly white brackets around its small flowers and downy gray green leaves. The soloists for tonight, Manatua from Tomololo and Irene Whakaua from Hateho. Aya koe ki whamatara buibui tua pea ki koe rakihiwa e whiawhiti me whanau koe ni koe Edelweiss. Edelweiss kauia pe moe koe whaiwa i loa i Europe, koe Sound of Music, pea koe whahiwa ia te nau hanga o kamata ia te aki, e whanau koe ne tau community, whanau na te kai ke nau poto he hiwa, malawa ke nau wako a ngā tale niti koe ni, o maua nau miso ne i he kahau.
Every morning you breathe.
Have you ever seen the rain? Basically it means we go through some tough times, we get back on our feet, and everything is all good. Ayako, have you ever seen the rain yet? And I'm hopa tu tamini. Tau ya ki fai ngamel, tau fai ngata iai, tau tomo hukume, tau hopo atu. Ko tau solo ki ai, ko Olivia Mausia, o saya speikune, me pehefo ki a he koti Mausia. O te paspasi me whanau, from a distance. This song is about no matter what we do, always remember that God is watching us. Aya koe hiwa hokoia from a distance. Ta tawa I pepe koe hako mea whai, whanau, tau tupu, whae, ta mai, whangatunga ane, whangatunga whawhine, tau manatu I maupe. God is watching us. Ine awhioi, ai mea ko tau peu tau whakahoko, ka konga peia e ngahi message, o whi mau he Sila Belua Academy, e mahe mo ki tau tolu I he whiawhine. Ko ki nau tolu nau whakahoko solois, ko Angeline Mea, me Lofana, ha te iho tongatau. We've got only two more songs from our choir before we continue on to the next set of performances. Kaki mua pete tau hopa kai ko whakamanaka atu pe o ata pe mau ki puha o ku iheni pe mua ka pau pe o iai hahinga na mawhana lava lele pe ke lava mai pe o whahoko pe o ki o whake ki puha. We're going to continue on to our last two songs. The next song will be Never Enough from the movie The Greatest Showman, and our soloist will be Berimani Marcia. Never Enough, about the Hoya, and The Greatest Showman, that have come together in the last 12 weeks. Some of them have just discovered they love singing, and some of them, this is the first time they have stood in front of a big crowd and performed. Ai ko whamalola ka te kumotoro I he whangamaria ko e ni, o ko whemau pēmua ke whamalo ia ki nā tolu nā utokonia ko kalama koni, me ka sponsor, o ki ai lafo embroidery nā utokoni mai ka kia hao whiemau ke tātuitui hao bench, ki hao kote pe ka te unga, mo email hanga tonu pe ki ai he nā lama ngai nā uroni, e he lafo embroidery nā utokoni mai ki sponsor, wa kole wa whakatangi kei e pōni. Pēwha kei Dateline Transit Limited, nā nau tokoni mai ka pēwha ke Adeloa Store, nā tōlu e ka sponsor nā nau tokoni mai ki he ngaue o e whiawhini. Ata pēwha ke whamalo ki a Paula Moimoi, pia mono whawhainga mani I ke live stream, a Prokalama Sina Pelua, Singing and Dancing Academy, ke lawa ke whaiwahe ai, ai ngaitale niti pia me Sina Pelua, pia whatawange hoko eli, Pamai mi sone tene toi hanga o tokonia pia mo popo mai ki tau tau kuhui he hokat koni. E kai ke te whalolo, ku e mau ki for a special performance, pia kai teu mai ai Samoan dance for the youth, teu mai Samoan dance e ose ni mo te paspasi I mai, ai for a special performance for the mau. ko hi ko ne tuange mai a ho whanau ke na koko mai ki he langa ngawe ko e ni he sila pelua whamalo atu sawe. That was Chelsea with our breaker. We're going to continue on now to our Pacific dances. So that's the next set. This will be our young people who will be performing some Samoan, Fijian, Tahitian, and Hawaiian dances tonight for all of us. I think for the Academy, the beauty of this is bringing together young people. You'll see we've got our youth now that are coming along, that have spent the last 12 weeks, different denominations, even different villages, while coming together and spending their time on something that they enjoy, their talent, and also something constructive. Aya ko e tau te tewa tueni ke whakakari e tau whanau tōtupu, ka ke mātua, whamaloa, ka te kumutonu, ko tui ko taha e ngahi mi sone, pia mo ngahi ngā ue o ku whahoko i Sila Pelua Dancing Academy, o ke kai ke pehe ko tau orunga pia i whanau, ka koko i ngā ue ko ni, ke ne hama whai ai ke nā tōru ke kau ako nā taleniti, pia pehe koki ke nā mare aki o nā taimi, ke ha mea o ao kānge. Ke kai ke tau tau whalolo, te tau hoko tai pe, ki he Samoan dance, pia kokole ke whawhe i mai Samoa! And until the 4th of July 1997, known as Western Samoa, is a country consisting of two main islands, Savaii and Upolu, and four smaller islands. The capital city is Apia. The Lapita people discovered and settled the Samoan Islands around 3,500 years ago. Please welcome to Samoa! Halo. Untuk pas-pasi mai tamai ni kami semua. That was our young girls performing our Samoan dance for us. And as I've said before, kami pekoya ko bahe ko whanau tō tuku ko ini. Koe kongalahi kuno mai ki nā tōru ki nā wako ngāwe whakataha. Part of what we're teaching the young people is about learning to come together and have work as a team, have those dynamics sourced out and learn to work together for a goal, and that's what we've witnessed tonight. Te tau hoko tai peheni ki visi, ai a koe tau whai whaiwa hoko, tau hoko tai pe ki visi. Our next performance, Sila Pelua Dancing Academy and the boys will take you all the way to Fiji. Fiji and Pulau everyone. Fiji, a country in the South Pacific, is a combination of more than 300 islands. It's famed for rugged landscapes, palm-lined beaches, and coral reefs with clear lagoons. Its major islets, Viti Levu and Vanua Levu, contain most of the population. Viti Levu is home to the capital, Suva, a port city with British colonial architecture. Fijian dance, thank you, will be performed by the boys the song Vunitania. It's about men going together to the bush to get food for the family. With the paspasi mai, a visi kam tawhana tangata. Tahiti. Kau mau kebe kai na mani sila pelua ke pamalo ia na ni ofa ko tape ke mo ko ko tape ko a o mai i ke fini ka mo ka mai pe mo ta tolu ta lava le ia pa ko a ka batai o ni so ni ko ni ki ho lo kale lo sila pelua Dancing Academy. While we wait for our Tahitian girls, that was our Fijian boys showing us a little bit from Fiji. We'd like to still acknowledge the support. Thank you to everyone that have extended their support and that are here tonight to support us and our young people. Some of these young people, the boys, are not only from the Hateho community, they're also from Bainei community. And that's the beauty of bringing everyone together so that our boys as well can get something that they can work on and spend their time on after hours. Ko tui ko ni ko whahamai ko mau ai whanau ko ni ki he tau lunga hoko ai te tau wa tai pehe ni ki he whanua ko ni ko Tahiti. Pea kohono ki pui pui tu a pehe. Tahiti, Yolana everyone. Tahiti is colonized by the French, so it is the largest island in French Polynesia. Tahiti was explored by Captain James Cook in the 18th century. Tahiti is a very beautiful island with black sand beaches, lagoons, waterfalls, and 2 extinct volcanoes. Tonight, the girls are going to perform one of the Tahitian dance, which is Otea. Otea is a traditional dance from Tahiti, characterized by a rapid hip-shaking motion to the drums accompaniment. Moto e paspasi mai whanau pe me Tahiti e tapu malo. toi hu mai ai seau si ka pehe fo ke tau whanau kani pe me titi ai. Whahoko ai ki fo e toi item ka tau tolu, ka tau kokole atu ke tau I whanau. Ko e osi ko ia hoko mai e tau kids tahishin. Mui mai ai item e tau Hawaiian girls. Pia kone osi ko ia teu mai. Si kamata ke teu mai lewa e ngahi tau orunga toko taka. Kame tau mai haiwa whatonga, aia ko selu kupo tene kamata mai ke mo teu. O toi paspasi mai tau whanau me titi ai, e pia binau.
Still into my melancholy heart.
ko kole tai ke mai whaina male ke whakao atu pe pua ai ki kau sponsor na nau tokoni mai ki na whakahoko i ngā we koni ai aku kau ki ai lako embroidery pe whoki ki he Dateline Transit pe whoki ki Adiloa Store na nau tokoni mai na sponsor ai o mai sponsor whapaa o kawia i hono tokoni i o na whamole ki he whiawhini. Whamaloa te pe whoki ki a Paula Moi Moi, pe whoki ki DJ, pe whoki ki a Save pe me titi ai, i he ngā popoko ta pe whakahoko i he whiawhini. O ku ta hoko tai pe, ki for special performance, while the rest of our young kids are getting ready for the last two Pacific dances tonight, which is our little kids performing in Tahitian dance and also our final Hawaiian dance. But before that, oku tau whiawhia ke tantalele i a losa tupou, ko losa aku nei heni na ne toki a o mai pēni pe a me New Zealand, pe a tene whakahoko ai fo i hiwa ma tau tolo e whiawhini. Losa tupou has just arrived from New Zealand and she's going to have a special performance for us tonight before we have the last two final performance for our Pacific dancing, and then we'll continue to the last round. tapaki ko ia musika, pia ne toki hiki atu ke weri katoni, ai au ne lolotonga ke hoko atu pe a ene ako, e tapaki ko ia musika. Los Atu Boys, one of our Tongan youth that was at TTI taking music and is currently continuing on in Wellington in New Zealand. So she's just here with us, gracing us with a special performance tonight. Te tau hoko toipe, ke tau whanau, na whahoko whanau iki, e na whahoko iki whi Pacific Dance pia me Tahiti, a kone ospe ko ia, whaka osi mai lewa e tau Polynesian Dance, e he tau whanau whiwhine lalahi, na mena whi Hawaiian Dance. Pia tau hoko atu lewa, ke ngā ki whaiwa whakatonga, pia kone lawa lele ia an oni. Just a quick outline of the rest of the program for tonight. We're going now to continuing on to our last two performances for our Pacific dances, which are our small young girls for our Tahitian dance, followed by Hawaiian dance, and then after that we'll wrap it up with a few of our performances for our Tongan items and our Tongan dances from our boys and our girls. Maloa pito, maloa pita taipe, ki ho mo taktari mai pa ko kole atu ka kumau pe a DJ. Pia mo tau whanau, kukola ke tau whanau whiwhine iki. Ko ose whakahiwa ma ko kamata pe ke whimohea e ma whanau iki. Ko te kore atu ke whaunga ke tau kaureka iki, ke mulama mai ki mua ki he tau Kids Tahitian Dance. Hello? Pelava lele ai performance ai whanau whewhine iki, ko tau whakatai pene ki Hawaii. Hawaii, aloha! Our last country for the Pacific Dances category is Hawaii. Hula dancing is a complex art form, and there are many hand motions used to represent the words in a song or chant. For example, hand movements can signify aspects of nature, such as the swaying of a tree in the breeze or a wave in the ocean, or feeling or emotion, such as fondness or yearning. Foot and hip movements often pull from a basic library of steps, including the kaholo, ka'o, kawelu, hela, wehe, and ami. But tonight we're going to do a hula, a globally known song written in 1898. We're going to perform it live here tonight, and so that would be our Hawaii Aloha tonight. Mo te paspasima e tau whanau whewhine for our last Pacific dance from Hawaii. Aloha. hawhawhi au, e nau tokoni mai ko ia, e nau lava hiwai, live singing tonight, whataha ka tau whanau. Te tau hoko taipe I heni ki for a special item, whahoko ia si ausi, ka te teo mai lewa e whanau ke e nau my performance whakatonga. Aia e me whahoka te ki for item pe e ta, amane hospital ia tau hoko taipe. We are now going to continue with one special item by Siaosi, while our Tongan girls and boys are getting ready and changing to do the last lot of Tongan performances. Malo abito.
Malo, te tau hoko taipe ke tau nai whaali o tau whaiwa whatonga. Aia e kauki ai a ngahi ki tau orunga tōtaha e tau whanau whewhine. Pehe foki ki he ngaki whaiwa me tau whanau whiwhine iki. Pehe foki ki he mako me tau kauleka iki. Pea moe laka laka o ko mixi ai ai whanau whiwhine pea me whanau tangata. Kone osi pe ko ia kone lava ia ai whiawhini. He kai ke tau toi whakaroloa, te tau hoko atai pe. Ki he taolunga toko taha hoko. Kai ki mua ia, to ki whakao matu pe mua tau kau sponsor i he whiawhini. Whamalo ia tau pe whoki ai Adiloa Store, pe whoki ke Dateline Transit Limited, pe whoki ki he kautaha koeni na whai tuitui e ngahi Betch ki Hakote, ko e Lafo. Pe pehe whoki ki he Paula Moe Latu, pea mo e ne kautaha i no whakaata mai ke whakahoko, ke lava inasi ai, pe mo kina tolu i motu, pe pehe whoki ki muri, ka inga pe me hate ingo sila pelua, pe mo e whanau, pe mo kina tolu ke he popo mai, ki hono popo a tale ni te whanau. Te tau hoko tai pe, ki e tau lunga hoko, whahoko ia e he ki whewhine, ko selu tupo, ko e ne lava mai me no muka, pea mo vai ni tonga tapu mo te paspasi i mai a selu. Selu tupo will perform our first solo Tongan dance tonight, and she is from the Vaini community who is here with us, Malo. Malo, mo te paspasi imai a Selo Tupo. That was our first solo dance by Selo Tupo tonight. We're going to continue on to our little girls. They're going to perform a Tongan dance to the song Si Matangi Ko Ma Ilinoa, composed by the late Big Salote. Aya ko e whahoka te mai tau whanau I ki Aupito. Ko mo mau pepe mo asi mai, ai mai mo ko ia tahine Pitsalote, ko tolo ko Si Matangi Ko Ma Ilinoa. Ala. Our next dance is a song going to be performed by our US Peace Corps, Brittany McKenney, or more well known in our Tongan community as Liana. Liana has spent the last 2 years teaching English to the GPS Adelaide Primary School. Many of the young girls and young boys that you see tonight, Liana spent the last 2 years teaching them English. While she's teaching them English, she also embraced our culture, and tonight she will perform a solo dance for us. Mukataki famulmole paskasi imai. Kaamine asila peloa, Liana, Brittany McKenney, koi Piscor, pekututang nawe ofaya, pia Amerika, kaune nofo, ilota kateio, pia kukei ata-ata pe, teka ke maupoa.
our little boys now. We've got Bethany, Anteli, and Lotu who will perform a tongue and war dance for us this evening. Please welcome our little boys. Marlon. Malo, kota whanau tangata aia, whamalot ka Bethany, Anteli, pia moloto. Kota wa o mai pēni ke whaos osi o e ngahi ki tau alunga ki poni. We're getting to the last few dances for tonight. And while we're getting ready for our older girls, the Neptuno girls, ko kole ke kau tau alunga Neptuno, ke mo te teo mai. Kole peke whao matumua, ai whamalo lahi ke kau sponsor, ko hika toko ni toi a whiawhini, kole atai pe whatangi ke matua, mo tōna ia hatikite, peke ha ofa, kole ato peke mo tānaki mai, ke toko ni ke ngahi langalanga ngau e whahoko he sila perua. Pea ko e taimini, te tau hoko atai peke he tau olunga hoko, aia ko Neptuno girls. The next item will be for our last item for not so little girls, but some of them are here to perform a group dance called Nepituno, sorry. Alo apito. Moto pas-pasi imay, ay kawin ako.
he lava ko ia o e taolunga ke Neptuno. Tau hopa tai pehen ke po I solo dance, e ko taolunga, e whahoko ia ke po I whasi ko e otomotu, e taha peia o e ngahi taangana e whao a Lake Pinsalote Tupo III, aia e whahoko te ki whinemui ko I Vet Kaitapu. Our next performance will be another solo dance, this time by Yvette Kaitapu, one of our Tongan youth who's currently a student at USP, doing a double major in geography, food and nutrition, and she's here with us tonight to perform her solo dance composed by the Lake Pinsalote called Otomotu. Otogi paspasi mayange, katake a Yvette Kaitapu.
Oh,
malo vito ka malo atape o ke fica mo ke matolo e te fini pe mo fana to pe me sila belua ka wa ate ke fa so si to e pe ki foi aite me ua a kone osi a vito ia a e fia fini a ko kole to pe tau le pai pe heni e fa so si a fa iba e fana to we've got only 2 more items. So we are on the second last one now, where we will have our last solo performance before we have our Tongan mixed girls and boys, and that will be the end of tonight. We thank you for your support. Thank you to everyone, all the parents, and to everyone that's here tonight. Tonight we will introduce our last solo dance, which will be performed by our young lady, Kalisi Rangimata, Paya I otu whala alolo veikune from Hadeho, aia tene whahoko atu ai ete manatu. O te paspasi i mai, a Kalisi, Rangimata Paya I otu whala alolo veikune. Malo. Our next item is a Tongan mix item. It's called the Laka Laka. This will be performed by both our girls and our boys. In every Laka Laka, we have a special tradition where we have a position acknowledging the role of a noble in the village. And tonight, while we have all our girls and our boys joining us, we would like to acknowledge that role, Falalolo Mekone, from that family is representing that. And that's what we call Bahenga, or Bahenga or Bahenga in a Lakalaka performance in Tongan. Please welcome our Tongan boys and girls as they perform our Lakalaka for us. Malo. Thank you, girls. If I can marry ko ini, kimua pe whakahoko ai hiwa mawai pe kona farewell song, pe kone ose ai whiawhini, ko kole ke puke ai whakamari ke whawhakonga i atu, a Sila Pelua Dancing and Singing Academy, ki a ki whamalo i he whiawhini. Ko uraki pe o kutuku ai whamalo ki o toa mawhawhi, i he ne lawa whakaau ai ko kalama o e whiawhini, me taui ofa, e mone ke lesi, o malawa ke wakai ai ai whanau Sila Pelua, na ulawa inasi wahi me kotolo na mataleni di. Whamalola he atu hene ke mātu a, ko hui koe popo lele ke tau whanau, ka pia whatawangi, i hoko atu ai pe, a homo popo mai ke tau whanau tō tupu, ko hui ke tau malawa te maua society, mama uruta, pe mo whiawhia, pe mo tau hawa whiawhia ai, a taleniti, pe mo tau wanga whakorua, pe mo malawa, ke pole ai ai whanau a whiawhini. Pia whamalo makehe, ki he tokotaka koe ako paona moi ko i kono whakahoko e live stream, pe he whoke a whamalo atu ki DJ, ki a kaua pe a mene tamaiki, whamalo whoki heni ki e Sas Vesiliana, o whanga i whakaata o i holo, ki whakahoko ki ai a eni, whamalo atu whoki ki e tangata eki whaiwhekau, matea ki whihaki, tangata eki whaiwhekau i Sas Vesiliana o whamotu, ne kau whataha ka mo kita tōru ki he whiawhini. Aia pe tau teo atu ene ki he hiwa whamawai, ka koe konga pia mai whamalo, whaose aki pe mo sponsor. Pea ki mua peke whahoko lea whapitania, ko kore atu ki a whahoko, ke ne kataki mai mua ki muani, kore atu ke tamai ki tua, ki kore atu ka whahoko, ke ki whoki mai mua ki Stacy. I'm just extending a warm thank you to everyone before we have our farewell song. To non-Tongans that are here with us tonight. Thank you very much to our New Zealand volunteers and to our New Zealanders and to all the others who are visiting tonight. The Kingdom of Tonga, thank you very much for being with us and supporting this initiative by the young people of Hateho. The Sila Pelua Dancing Academy is not just about talent, it's about bringing young people together, it's about teaching them their culture, teaching them to be proud, to be Tongan, and getting them to work together as a team, spending their time in things where they know they can set a goal and they can achieve it. Tonight, we're all saying that forward is forward, one small step, but we're getting there and expressing their talent in a constructive way. Before they have their final song, I'd like to call Whakahoko Tauwhao to the stage. So now I would like to call upon Whakahoko Tauwhao so that, come on. Ko ki talanoa e whakaosi aki a Sila Pelua Dancing Academy. Ke ako me ai e tawhana tōtuku. This is a great living testimony of a boy, young boy with a dream. Tahamai ki mo. Tahamai. Whahao Tauwhao grew up in Hateho, went to GPS Atele, continued on to Tubo Tertiary Institute in Hopakan, had a passion for dancing, had a passion for singing. Tonight, throughout the last 12 weeks, Whakahoko had ignited a passion and realized Sioki Mua Kwele Akahu Whiwhaita. Whakahoko, a very simple man, by the way. Iau ke ata-atana whakahoko, te keke mahoa. And he initiated this. He realized that with his passion, where he can choreograph, where he can share his talent, he started this in Hateho, and tonight, is what you've seen, is all the effort by Whakahoko Tauwhao from the Sila Pelua Dancing Academy. Please everyone, o te paspasi i mai a Thank you for whamaloa here, me te kōtono, e kei te tautou whaloloa. This will pe ko ia ko kole atu mua ke whai whekau, kia whai whekau, ma te aki whihaki, ka takwa mole mole pe, ka ne osi pe e ni, ma ke lawa mai ai pe whaho ka taula tutuku. After this last item, I'd like to call upon the Reverend and he will come up and say the last words of prayer for us tonight. Palo Albito, thank you.
Malo, porque fa download kia khao o whakala ia te motor whange ki whakapa ki te motor ma ai ka hao metare ni whakapa motor Poi vada lotu pe o tua mafu ma o tamai whahe mani ma o whawhetai ki o awhio o miha ahu whakapoloa pehen koe tare ni te mau whanau koe koloa whaki ai awhion ka koe ahoni mau whakainonga e ahoni koe toi huki ai pēsi tahi he mohu e mau whanau huki hake moi pēsi o e hiwa huki hake moi pēsi o e nau whaiwa o nau whaari ali huki hake moi pēsi o e nau hoko o e tangataka whanua pia tānaki mai o ngā koloa o ngā whanua Koe ahon mau whawhetaki aku o awhio. Whakakoloa o whai mai kere iki lau maari ane nei au hoi a matapu a pe oi siasi nei whaiwhikau na maa kāna lot o whakawa na tapa o maua whea hono koe ki whakakai mai whakunia ke si whakawa ka mai popo ka mai tautau whanau ura kua hono ka mai a hono ura mamataha e iare ka mamataha ki ka hau Ia mamataha lelei e koe koroa whakea ka hua mai se lau whanau e ua whakai ai hono lau e whakai ai koroa e awhona e hima e taurua e koe hae e whai whahai e koroa e awhona koe koroa moone o whiawhia a koe whiawhia o koe ara e awhona ka wana o whanau koe koroa na o koe whanau koe koroa whanau na toro na mema i taone e ala koe hera kaha wa koe sita e koroa e whahai e koroa e awhona o whaaki ma whanau ka ua mai koe koroa na ua nei ko whai whao a mai a kai nei ko whai e sila bebua tu ke hoko e nau whai whatamia e la mai e kule anga o he awhona mau fia ke whaaki ake la langi ia ho mau leo he whai wa he hima e mau e kuma whai la langi ia toko taha pēha e awhona tari a whalot mahu kuma whai atoni pēha koe pēsi na wei ko sisu flaisi o whai a toko ta mai whekwa na mani mau anoni ke ni mau tolu kota o pēha o na hiri kai whai pēha o ta ngata Amen
Malo, famalo, apito atu. Koe lama kakato ia, koe kolo kalama sila pelua Dancing and Singing Academy. Our first recital, ki he fiakini, famalo atu te kotolo. Drive home safely. The academy right now, way forward, they're having a break for the next 2 weeks. And then we will be circulating and announcing the enrollments for the next lot of intake, where we will continue to share our talent and continue to promote youth development, promote young people coming together and enjoying the culture. Whamalo lahi atu, e mau ofa lahi atu, malo.